All right, thanks so much. Here with Davion Mitchell, one of the stars of tonight's game. Davion, congrats on this win, man. First of all, tell me, what did it take to open up this road trip with this W?
Man, it took everyone. A lot of guys stepped up off the bench. They came in with some big minutes. Man, D. Jones played a phenomenal game. Mezzi played a phenomenal game. He played hard on both ends of the floor. I just feel like everyone contributed and we got this win.
Yeah, I would love for you to talk about the bench, Davion, because obviously with both Domas and De'Aaron out, you guys are missing key pieces. But guys, usually when they step up into that starting lineup like yourself, the bench kind of suffers a little bit, but they were tremendous today. Just talk about what you got from that second unit.
Yeah, man, they came in here playing hard, rebounding, playing defense. Because of the first half. I feel like they was getting a lot of easy shots, easy looks, and then the bench came in. Mezzi got some key rebounds. Dante got some deflections, and A-Lin played a phenomenal game playing defense, switching on the guards, man. It was just a whole team effort, and yeah.
What was it like going against Tyrese and Buddy one more time?
It was fun. It was fun, man, because those are my brothers. They played a phenomenal game. You know, Tyrese, he facilitated the ball. He played a really good game. Buddy hit shots. It was definitely a tough cover for both of them.
Davion, I've got to ask you, with, 8 games left in your rookie season, I feel like we've been able to watch you make some tremendous growth. And I think one of the biggest areas that sticks out to me recently is I just feel like your confidence is at an all-time high, your ability to kind of be confident in that ISO game, get to the rim. Will you tell us kind of what this process has been like for you and where you're at now versus where you were at the beginning of the season?
Yeah, I mean, it's been a roller coaster. I mean, it's my rookie year, first year in the NBA, so it's like I had to learn from my mistakes. I feel like I did a really good job learning from them. I think Rico's also doing a really good job. We watch a film, we watch a film, things that I need to work on. AK, Quay, those guys helped me out on the court, sending me film, things that I should get to. I mean, then I just got comfortable. I mean, when you get comfortable, I mean, make the games is a lot easier. Yeah.
Davion, before I let you go, you faced Tyrese twice in college, held him to 6 of 23 shooting. Tonight, he was 4 of 14. I mean, was he on the struggle bus again, my man?
Nah, man. It was just nothing like that, man. Yeah, he had a really good game, man. That's it.
Yeah, no doubt about it. You had a great game as well. Davion Mitchell, 25 points, 7 assists. Most importantly, the Kings get a win. On to Orlando, my man. Thanks so much.
Thank you, guys.
Thank you for watching ESPN on YouTube. For live streaming sports and premium content, subscribe to ESPN+.